Hi, it's Chef Militia going to show you how to dice a mango. I've already washed my mango. Always remember to wash your fruit, even if it has a peel, before you cut it up. I'm going to slice it parallel to the pit. Turn it over and slice the other side. Then I have two halves. I'm going to score them. You can do this on the diagonal or straight up and down. It doesn't really matter. And then it's flexible, and you can take your knife and run it right along the skin, and your diced mango will come right out. It's nice to use a boning knife for this, or a thin, flexible knife like this one. Now we'll do the other half. And there you are. You have diced mango ready to cut up smaller for salsas or make some chutney. You can also finish this off, get a little more fruit out of it by going around the edge and getting some more pieces this way. There you are, diced mango, easy peasy.